Well, pleasure just to be back.
So good to see you
Good
again.
to see you too.
You must be so excited for the Singapore Motorshow.
I'm super excited. It's 3 years now since we've been here. I can't wait to perform again for all my friends and all the fans that come to see us in Singapore. We're going to be performing all my trademark manoeuvres I've set the Guinness World Records for over the years, and there'll be new things as well. We've got different cars that we've never used before at the Singapore Motorshow.
Well, speaking from personal experience, it is absolutely a joy to sit in the car with him. And one of you can also win yourself a chance to sit in the car with him at the stunt show that's happening at the Singapore Motorshow from the 12th to 15th of January. All you gotta do is get yourself a ticket at the Subaru.
And in addition to Russ's jaw-dropping performances, there's also stunning new car launches and the latest EV innovations. Also, meet and greet with MediaCorp celebrities, and one lucky visitor will drive home with either a brand new Subaru Brz or Nissan Kicks e-Power.
And to stand a chance to win a car, all you gotta do is get yourself a ticket on System Online. The Motor Show is happening from the 12th to 15th of January, and I can't wait to see you over there. Bye!